Good morning, students. We shall take a very interesting example finding out the oxidation number of lead. Lead in Pb3O4. We have to find out the oxidation of lead in this compound. By conventional method, just see Pb3O4, let the oxidation number of lead is X. Oxygen oxidation number you know is -2. 3 into X, 3X, 4 into -2, -8. Now 3X is -8 is equal to 0, X is equal to a fraction. In fact, Pb3O4 exists 2 molecules of PbO and 1 molecule of PbO2. Hence, in this case, we have 2 types of lead. Now, let us find out the oxidation of lead first of all in PbO. Let the oxidation number of lead is X and that of oxygen is -2. 1 into X is equal to X. -2 into 1, -2. X -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +2. Oxidation number of lead in PbO2. I have told you it consists of 2 compounds. PbO2. Let the oxidation number of lead is X and that of oxygen we know is -2. X into 1, X. 2 into -2, -4. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +4. Hence, in Pb3O4, we have this type of oxidation states in lead. In this, it is +2, and in PbO2, it is +4. I have already told you, if we find out the oxidation number like this by conventional method, it is +8/3. It is a fraction which should not be. Thanks for watching.